Today I'm going to give you a tour of the Number One Bead Shop and show you some of the improvements we've been making in the shop. For years, customers have complained it's so cold, it's too cold. Well, that's all changed because the main hall has now been insulated, improved lighting, and 8 radiators have been fitted. So now it doesn't matter what time of year you visit, you'll be able to enjoy a nice warm shop. And we've created a seating area where you can come along and have a chat, have a coffee. Your gentlemen friends can sit here and rest. And because the shop's nice and warm now, we are holding our jewellery making classes within the shop. So come along and have a look at the new look Number One Bead Shop in Paisley.